In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Snowflake external table. If you're new to this, don't worry. By the end of this guide, you'll have a solid understanding of how to set up an external table in Snowflake and why you might want to. So, let's dive straight into it. First off, an external table in Snowflake allows you to access data that resides outside of Snowflake. This could be in various cloud storage services like Amazon S3, Google Cloud Storage, or Azure Blob Storage. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to analyze large data sets without replicating them into Snowflake, saving both time and resources. To start, you'll need to use the Create External Table statement. This is the cornerstone of our task today. Begin by specifying the location of the data you want to access. For instance, if you're using Amazon S3, you'll need to provide the bucket and path where your data files are stored. Ensure that the URL is correct, as any typos can lead to errors down the line. Next, it's crucial to define the file format of your data. This involves specifying whether your files are in CSV, JSON, Parquet, or another supported format. Defining the format helps Snowflake understand how to interpret the data correctly. Pay particular attention to details like field delimiters or the presence of headers, as these details are pivotal for accurate data parsing. Once you've defined the file format, you'll move on to schema specification. This is where you detail the structure of your data by listing column names and types. It's important to align this schema closely with the actual data to prevent any mismatches which can cause issues during querying. With your schema in place, don't forget to set proper access permissions. External tables require access to the external storage, so you need to ensure your credentials or access roles are correctly configured. Verify that your Snowflake instance has the necessary permissions to access the external location, avoiding any connectivity errors. After covering these key components, it's time to execute the Create External Table statement in Snowflake. You'll do this through the Snowflake user interface or a SQL client. Paste the entire command, review it for any errors or missing information, and then execute it. Snowflake will compile this information and create a reference to your external data. Finally, it's always a good idea to test your external table by running a simple query. This will confirm that everything is set up correctly and your data is accessible. If you encounter any issues, double-check the file path, file format, and permissions. And there you have it. A straightforward approach to creating an external table in Snowflake. Remember, the key is in the details. Carefully specifying file locations, file formats, and schemas, and ensuring access permissions are correctly set. With these steps, you'll make the most out of Snowflake's seamless integration with external data sources. Happy querying, and thanks for watching.